The key priorities for the finance minister should be on the infrastructure development, and the second should be on the Make in India, and basically to make India a global manufacturing hub. Towards this, the finance minister should take step to get a foreign investment, and for that it is essential that we should promote to have an ease of doing business and at the same time have a stable tax environment. On the infrastructure side, I believe there are steps which have been taken, but what we really lack is on the administrative side. So if the entire administrative function to really allot the infrastructure project and to see its completion can be kickstart, that is one area where we expect from a finance minister to have a clear roadmap on the future infrastructure project and have a timeline allotted to them within which those projects would be allotted and completed. On the manufacturing side, I would believe there are issues around export because India is still not very competitive in the export market. So maybe a kind of a subsidy to encourage export. At the same time, we also expect to encourage global manufacturing, that India should simplify the foreign exchange provision to enable the toll manufacturing in India, so that people can use India as a hub for manufacturing for their global supplies. The first one would be to have a clear roadmap on the reduction of the corporate tax rate and phasing out of the exemptions. So that would be the foremost. The second, if I have to say about, it would be around the introduction of certain specific provision in line with the BEPS, as India has played a very active role in the BEPS implementation. So we may see certain specific provision like country by country reporting to be introduced in the current finance bill. Thirdly, I would like to see certain recommendation made by the Issuer Committee on the reducing the interpretational issue or litigation, at the same time rationalization of the TDS provision. I would say on the interpretational, the issues regarding deduction in relation to the exempt income, or whether the sale of the share should be a capital gain or a business income, those clarification or amendment should be brought in. I would also like to see certain rationalization of the TDS provision, whether by way of reducing the TDS rate or enabling certain rules to get a credit for 1 year in the subsequent year, or by one person who is actually offering the income.